Today we're going to be talking about topological sorting. So topological sorting is used when you have a lot of tasks and you want to order them, is when it's mainly used. For something like this, we have these tasks given. You just start at a node with no incoming edges. And so here we would look and we'd see 33 as no incoming edges, and we just take that and then we put that in our ordered list. Then the next node that has no incoming would be 21. So we take that, put that in our list. Next we go to 54, no incoming nodes. And then we get to these last two, and we see that neither of them have incoming nodes. So you can basically just denote it as such when you're doing these problems. Put it in brackets, because the ordering would not matter at this point. Different algorithms will handle it differently. So you could have an algorithm that takes the left element first, you could have an algorithm that takes the right element first, or you could have an algorithm that looks at the values within these and decides based on that. So that is our final sorting for this problem. Next, we'll look at some real-life applications. So for our first real-life example, we have building a home. Your first step in building a home is oftentimes buying land. Next, you do some excavation, you pour the foundation, you do the framing, drywall, painting, and then flooring usually is the process. We see it as a very set structure. It has, one after the other. There's not much overlap. Now, in some of the smaller tasks, you might see overlap, but this is the basic structure. So basically, we just go straight down the list with our order. So this is what the topological structure would look like. And to put it in the ordering, you basically just go like we did before, the first example, and just do 1, put that in the order, go to 2, put that in there, go to 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. For a second example, we'll go look at a PB&J sandwich. This is a little different because there's a little more up for grabs in the order you can do it in. So first, you're going to have to get the ingredients to make your sandwich. Next, you're going to lay out some bread. Then comes the discrepancy, and you can choose. You can either put on the jelly first, or you can put on the peanut butter first. And then from there, you close the sandwich, and you cut, and you grub. So, for this one, we're basically just going to take this one here, first one, which would correlate to buying ingredients, put that in the ordering. Next, you'll go to 2, laying out the bread. Then here's where you choose. So, like we were talking about in the algorithms, there's different algorithms that do different things. So some may take the leftmost element, some may take the rightmost element. Some will take, the one that's actual string starts with a closer letter to A, closer letter to Z. There's just many different forms you can do. So for this one, let's just assume we're doing a leftmost for situations like this. So we'll go with 3A. Again, we can use the brackets to denote that there was a decision made. We go to 3B. Then finishing off, we just finish off with the 4, then we're left with 5. And that concludes that ordering.